I'm Chef Jennifer Booker, the owner and executive chef of Your Resident Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet stir-fry shrimp. The ingredients are garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. The stir-fry vegetables are red onion, broccoli, celery, and agave. We'll start with our hot sauté pan and add some olive oil. Next, we'll add our red onion, then our broccoli, some celery, and give that a nice stir. Next, we'll add our shrimp, stir that in, and then we'll add our seasoning. We'll add some garlic powder, lots of black pepper, and salt. Stir that in, and finally, we'll add our agave for sweetener. Add your agave and cook until your shrimp is bright pink and your broccoli are tender. And this is what your finished product should look like. I'm Chef Jennifer Booker, your resident gourmet, and this is sweet stir-fry shrimp.